Hi everyone, I am Soumya and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a product review video after really long, and for today's video I'm going to be reviewing this newly launched color correcting primer by Kay Beauty. And as we all know, Kay Beauty is owned by Katrina Kaif, and this definitely raises our expectations from the brand, pretty obvious. And I have watched a few videos where people have been literally bashing the product, saying that it's not going to give you that coverage, it is not going to give you that highlighted effect. I mean, guys, this is a color corrector, this is not a foundation or a concealer. So before even talking about the product, I want to first talk about what exactly is a primer and what exactly is a color corrector. So basically a primer is something that you use to prep your face before the makeup. एंड प्राइमर जो है वो आपकी स्किन और आपके मेकअप के बीच में एक लेयर क्रिएट कर देता है सो दैट द मेकअप डजंट गेट इनटू योर स्किन. सेकंड, इट विल हेल्प टू मेक योर मेकअप लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. लाइक आपका मेकअप इजीली क्रैक नहीं होगा और काफी देर तक आपका मेकअप फ्रेश लुक देने वाला है. एंड थर्डली, प्राइमर हेल्प्स इन फिलिंग अप द पोर्स एंड गिविंग यू लाइक अ इवन बेस. सो बेसिकली ज्यादातर लोगों के फेस में पोर्स होता है. लाइक सम पीपल हैव स्मॉल पोर्स, सम पीपल हैव अ बिट लार्जर पोर्स. जनरली वी हैव पोर्स लाइक ऑन आवर नोज एंड अराउंड दिस रीजन इन आवर चीक्स. सो जब हम प्राइमर अप्लाई करते हैं तो वो उन पोर्स को लाइक फिल कर देता है एंड वी गेट लाइक अ वेरी स्मूथ बेस टू अप्लाई द मेकअप. So these are the three reasons why we use a primer. Now primers mostly are available like in two variants. एक तो we have a silicone based primer and next we have like a very hydrating and moisturizer type of primer. So basically silicone based primers जो होते हैं वो आपके pores को बहुत अच्छे से fill कर देते हैं. Like they fill in the pores completely and you get like a very smooth base. But then in the long run silicone is not good for your skin. So I personally avoid using silicone based primer and I specifically stick to like the more hydrating primers. Now definitely जो hydrating primers होते हैं वो उतने अच्छे से आपके pores को fill नहीं करते जितने अच्छे से कि silicone based primer करते हैं. But then again silicone based primers are like not advisable for a everyday use. So I personally stick to a more hydrating primer. Now this is all about primer. Let's talk about color correctors. So color correctors जो होते हैं we use it to hide the flaws. We can use it to hide like pigmentation, acne scars, blemishes, fine lines. इन सब चीज़ों को जब हमें hide करना होता है and when we want like a very flawless base, then we are going to use a color corrector. Now in most of the cases people tend to have like pigmentation under their eyes and around their mouth as well. So in that case जब आप एक color corrector apply करते हो, like mostly for pigmentation we use a orange color correctors for like medium to darker complexion and then we use like a peach color corrector for lighter complexions. So जब आप color corrector use करते हो तो वो आपके pigmentation को hide करता है and वो उसके बाद जब आप अपना foundation लगाते हो so you get like a similar color all over your face. So basically when we have pigmentation and on the top of that we are applying our foundation or concealer, we are not going to see the exact color of the product because of the pigmentation and for that reason we are going to be using a color corrector so that हमारा जो pigmentation का problem है वो solve हो जाए and we get like the exact color of the foundation or the concealer that we are applying on the base. So this is the reason why we use a color corrector. This is not going to work as a substitute for your foundation or a concealer. No, that is not going to happen. But when you use a color corrector and उसके ऊपर जब आप अपना foundation या concealer apply करते हो तो आपका skin बिल्कुल भी grey नहीं दिखने वाला है. It is going to give you the exact color that the foundation or the concealer has. So yeah, this is the reason why we use a primer and why we use a color corrector. Now without wasting any more time, let's just start talking about the product. So you get about 25 ml of product for rupees 799 and the packaging is color coordinated. The outer cardboard packaging has all the details mentioned in it such as the MRP, the manufacturing date and the ingredient list of the product. And the internal packaging is in a tube variation which has got like a nozzle for a controlled flow of products. And once again all the details are mentioned in this tube also, so you can easily get rid of the outer packaging. Also talking about the consistency, so it has got like a very creamy consistency. The product is not liquid or runny, it is rather in a creamy formulation and it also blends in very smoothly. It has got like a peach tone to it since it is a peach color corrector and it blends in very easily और काफ़ी ज़्यादा moisturizing भी है ये. सो आई हैव गॉट सम अमाउंट ऑफ पिगमेंटेशन अंडर माई आईज एंड ऑन द साइड ऑफ माई माउथ. सो सबसे पहले मैं प्रोडक्ट को वहाँ पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ इन अ डॉटेड मोशन. एंड ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी अप्लाइंग द प्रोडक्ट इन माई चीक्स इज वेल, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आई हैव गॉट सम पोर्स. सो सिंस दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ गोइंग टू वर्क बोथ एज अ कलर करेक्टर एज वेल एज अ प्राइमर, तो मैं उनको उन सभी जगह पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ वेर आई हैव गॉट लाइक पिगमेंटेशन एंड ऑल्सो वेर आई नीड टू फिल इन द पोर्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम अप्लाइंग द प्रोडक्ट इन अ डॉटेड मोशन एंड देन मैं उसको ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ यूजिंग माई फिंगर्स. एंड मैंने इससे पहले अपने फेस पे मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाया था, सो माई फेस वॉज वेल मॉइस्चराइज्ड एंड द प्रोडक्ट रियली ब्लेंडेड इन वेरी वेल. काफ़ी सीमलेसली ये ब्लेंड हो गया स्किन में, मुझे बिल्कुल भी डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं हुआ इसको ब्लेंड करने में. एंड एज यू कैन सी मैंने फिंगर्स ही यूज़ किया है. आई हैव यूज नो टूल टू ब्लेंड इन द प्राइमर, and generally we use fingers only to blend in the primer so that it sits in the face very well. सो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग इट आई कुड सी दैट माई पोर्स हैव फिल्ड इन अ बिट. मतलब एकदम ही ब्लरीफाइंग सा इफेक्ट तो नहीं था, बट डेफिनेटली द विजिबिलिटी हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड. So now it's already 2 to 3 hours after I have done my makeup, and if I look at my base, so my base is still not yet disturbed. Like बहुत ही अच्छे से set हुआ है मेरा base. So I really like the base. I mean even after 2 hours बिल्कुल भी disturb नहीं हुआ है. There is no amount of crack or anything. I do not even require any sort of touch up. So I'm really happy with my base and how the makeup has turned out to be. So definitely ये primer जो है it has done its job well. काफी hydrating है, so really good for dry skin people for sure. Also talking about the color correcting part, I'm really not that much impressed with the color correction because I have also used like color correcting stick by other brands as well, which do perform much more better than this. So now talking about my final review about the product. Well, as a primer, it is doing its work well. It is definitely a good hydrating primer for dry skin people especially. It definitely makes your makeup last longer and you get like a good blurrified effect for your pores as well. So the pores are not going to be blurrified as it would be with a silicone based primer, but for a everyday use you definitely should stick to a hydrating primer. So on that note, I think it is good as a hydrating primer. But talking about the color correcting part, I am really not impressed with how it works as a color corrector. Like definitely there are better options when it comes to color corrector. So that's all about my review for the color correcting primer by K Beauty. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all next time in my next video. Bye bye.